Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from Chapter 8, Electromagnetic Waves. And today is not problem solving session, problem questionnaire session. That is, 7 questions will be showered in this session, and next session we will solve the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 1. For a plane electromagnetic wave propagating in x direction, which one of the following combination gives the correct possible directions for electric field E and magnetic field B respectively? Option A, J cap plus K cap, comma J cap plus K cap. B option, minus J plus K cap or minus J minus K. C option, J plus K, comma minus J plus K. D option, minus J plus K, comma minus J plus K. Let's move to question number 2. Light with an average flux of 20 watt per centimeter square falls on a non-reflecting surface at normal incidence having surface area 20 centimeter square. The energy received by the surface during time span of 1 minute is dash. Option A, 12 into 10 power 3 joules. B option, 24 into 10 power 3 joules. C option, 48 into 10 power 3 joules. D option, 10 into 10 power 3 joules. Let's move to question number 3. Out of the following options, which one can be used to produce a propagating electromagnetic wave? Option A stationary charge. B option, chargeless particle. C option, an accelerating charge. D option, a charge moving at constant velocity. That is, by knowing the generation of the electromagnetic wave, you will know the answer for this question. Let's move to question number 4. Which of the following statement is false for the properties of electromagnetic wave? Option A, both electric magnetic field vectors attain the maximum and minimum at the same place at same time. B option, energy in electromagnetic waves divided equally between electric and magnetic vectors. C option, both electric and magnetic field vectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. D option, these waves do not require any material medium for propagation. By knowing the properties of electromagnetic waves, you are able to identify the option. Let's move to question number 5. In a certain region of space, electric field E and magnetic field B are perpendicular to each other, and an electron enters in a region perpendicular to the direction of B and E, both and moves undeflected. Then velocity of electron is vector E by B. B, E vector cross B vector. C, B vector by E vector. D, E dot B vector. As we know that vector can be represented as a bold letter. So here EB is a vector in terms of bold letter. Knowing the relation between velocity, electric field and magnetic field, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 6. Electromagnetic wave with shortest wavelength among the following is dash. Option A, UV rays. B option, X-rays. C option, gamma rays. D option, microwaves. You should know the chart of the electromagnetic waves. 7 set of electromagnetic waves in the shortest wavelength to longest wavelength. From this, you are able to identify the question for this answer. Let's move to last question. Which of the following has minimum wavelength? Option A, X-rays. B option, UV rays. C option, gamma rays. Last option, cosmic rays. Here also, that chart you should know. And by knowing the identify that is which is having shortest wavelength, which is having longest wavelength, in that category, you are able to find the solution for this question. Thank you, students. In next session, we will see how to solve the solution for this question. Thank you.